First create your formula which you want to store in macros. Now edit your formula, select all excluding is equal to then copy. Go to View tab and click on Macros button, then select Record Macro. Define macro name and select Personal Macro Workbook in field Store Macro in. If you want to use this macro in all your Excel workbooks, then click OK. This sign indicates that now all your steps will record. So do not click anywhere, else your all clicks or steps will be recorded. Just press is equal to and paste copied formula. Now don't press enter, just click on Function Arguments button, then click OK. Now stop recording by selecting Stop Recording from Macros button. For test run of your created macro, select View Macros from Macro button. Select your defined name in the list, then click on Run. Your recorded steps are now performed. Abnormal date shows because your reference cell is empty. Now delete formula. Then test macro again by performing same steps. Your recoded steps are now performed and your created formula store in macro. Now it's time to assign your created macro in button. Right-click on ribbon and select Customize the ribbon. Select Tab and Group, where you want to add your created macro button. Select Macros from menu, choose Commands from. Select your macro from list, then click on Add button. Click on Rename to change the name and icon of macro. Now rename and select icon for your macro, then click on OK. Now go to Macro tab, where you add your macro button. For macro button testing, write any date in cell. By clicking on your created macro button, your recorded steps will be performed. Must like and share, and don't forget to subscribe.